This is Yuri, and today we'll be restoring an old figure, Dredd, from the movie Dredd. As you can see, the faux leather is completely gone. To restore his uniform, you'll be needing black acrylic leather paint. First, we fix minor tears with fabric glue. Apply a second layer once the first coat has dried. Let dry for 24 hours, then apply one last layer. Then paint boots and gloves. Here's Sniper the sculpting process.
While waiting for the paint to dry, we added some muscles on the legs. I use apoxie sculpt. It cures in about 2 hours without baking. And day 3, it fits perfectly. It feels like leather when it dries. The paint, after all, is used on sneakers. Knee and elbow pads were painted with metallic olive green, then attached with shoe glue. Now apply a coat of clear acrylic, then scratch the pads with rough grain sandpaper, like it's been battle damaged. Sculpt the tiny spheres for glove knuckles by using Procreate putty. Just make sure you attach the spheres before it hardens. Procreate putty's working time is usually 45 minutes.
Paint with black, then dry brush with gunmetal.
Then I sculpted the hair using the same putty, then painted with acrylic and shaded with chalk pastel.
We dry brushed the armor with gunmetal and the shoulder pads with bronze gold. A mix of leather acrylic and tamiya black was used to dry brush some parts to lessen the shine and give a battle-worn look. Back armor was highlighted with gunmetal as well.
This is Judge Dredd from Dredd.
We got a new video each week, so make sure you like, subscribe,
And hit that notifications bell as well.
If you have any questions or requests, just comment below.
This is My Zero Macadamia, and always remember, possibilities are endless.